Early symptoms of magnesium deficiency can include nausea and vomiting, loss of appetite, tiredness, and weakness. Although many people are not getting enough magnesium, deficiency is rare, and symptoms usually indicate an underlying health condition. Before we get started, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Keep watching until the end to find out 9 signs and symptoms of magnesium deficiency. 1. Muscle twitches and cramps. Twitches, tremors and muscle cramps are signs of magnesium deficiency. In worst-case scenarios, deficiency may even cause seizures or convulsions. Scientists believe these symptoms are caused by a greater flow of calcium into nerve cells, which overexcites or hyperstimulates the muscle nerves. While supplements may relieve muscle twitches and cramps in deficient individuals, one review concluded that magnesium supplements are not an effective treatment for muscle cramps in older adults. 2. Fatigue and muscle weakness. Fatigue, a condition characterized by physical or mental exhaustion or weakness, is another symptom of magnesium deficiency. Keep in mind that everyone becomes fatigued from time to time. Typically, it simply means you need to rest. However, severe or persistent fatigue may be a sign of a health problem. Since fatigue is a non-specific symptom, its cause is impossible to identify unless it is accompanied by other symptoms. Another, more specific sign of magnesium deficiency is muscle weakness, also known as myasthenia. Scientists believe the weakness is caused by the loss of potassium in muscle cells, a condition associated with magnesium deficiency. 3. Your fingers and toes feel kind of tingly. Since magnesium plays a role in nerve impulses in the body, a deficiency may lead to numbness or tingling, says Maneker. This can happen mainly in the extremities, like your fingers and toes, and often feels like your limb has fallen asleep. 4. Mental disorders. Mental disorders are another possible consequence of magnesium deficiency. These include apathy, which is characterized by mental numbness or lack of emotion. Worsened deficiency may even lead to delirium and coma. Additionally, observational studies have associated low magnesium levels with an increased risk of depression. Scientists have also speculated that magnesium deficiency might promote anxiety, but direct evidence is lacking. 5. Irregular heartbeat. Among the most serious symptoms of magnesium deficiency is heart arrhythmia, or irregular heartbeat. The symptoms of arrhythmia are mild in most cases. Often, it has no symptoms at all. However, in some people, it may cause heart palpitations, which are pauses between heartbeats. Other possible symptoms of arrhythmia include lightheadedness, shortness of breath, chest pain or fainting. In the most severe cases, arrhythmia may increase the risk of stroke or heart failure. Scientists believe that an imbalance of potassium levels inside and outside of heart muscle cells may be to blame, a condition associated with magnesium deficiency. 6. Depression and anxiety. Other mental problems associated with magnesium deficiency are depression and anxiety disorders. There's a high number of depression and anxiety patients with magnesium deficiency problems, and scientists have concluded that lacking this nutrient gives you a higher risk of depression and may promote anxiety. Note that, even though there's a proven association, the exact mechanism is not known and we might need to have more evidence before reaching to any definite conclusion. Thus, even though it is a possible symptom, remember depression and anxiety should be treated by a specialist and may require more than an adjustment in the diet to be fixed. 7. High blood pressure. Studies show that magnesium deficiency may increase blood pressure and promote high blood pressure, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease. While direct evidence is lacking in humans, several observational studies suggest that low magnesium levels or poor dietary intake may raise blood pressure. The strongest evidence for the benefits of magnesium comes from controlled studies. Several reviews have concluded that magnesium supplements may lower blood pressure, especially in adults with high blood pressure. Put simply, magnesium deficiency may increase blood pressure, which, in turn, increases the risk of heart disease. 8. Asthma. Magnesium deficiency is sometimes seen in patients with severe asthma. Additionally, magnesium levels tend to be lower in individuals with asthma than in healthy people. Researchers believe a lack of magnesium may cause the buildup of calcium in the muscles lining the airways of the lungs. This causes the airways to constrict, making breathing more difficult. Interestingly, an inhaler with magnesium sulfate is sometimes given to people with severe asthma to help relax and expand the airways. For those with life-threatening symptoms, injections are the preferred route of delivery. 9. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a symptom of magnesium deficiency. It is a condition characterized by bone weakness and higher risk of fractures. Along with insufficient consumption of vitamin D and K, inadequate intake of magnesium also increases chances of getting osteoporosis. This is because around 60% of your body's magnesium content is in your bones. Magnesium deficiency not only affects bone strength directly, it also reduces the amount of calcium, the foundation of bones, in your blood. Research done on lab rats confirmed that low consumption of magnesium lead to lower bone mass. This finding suggests that low magnesium consumption can also weaken bone density in humans. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share. Make sure to subscribe because more incredible content on the way.